ditCraft is about introducing a DAO-based approach into the software development world. So we kind of want to bring democratization, incentivization, and decentralization into the world of software development.
ditCraft is a platform which strives to achieve software excellence. So we are trying to combine the knowledge power of the community with a novel protocol to decentralize the software development process.
With ditCraft, developers have access to a platform that allows them, through principles of a DAO, to call the community in order to vet code or to vet an architecture or even analyze whether a feature request makes sense.
Software is the most essential building stone when it comes to the advances of our digital society, so we think that naturally the requirements that we have on this software is very high, and at the same time developers are struggling to fulfill these requirements.
ditCraft solves several problems with the software development lifecycle. One of them is the current malgovernance, especially in the open source area,
where only a few people are in charge of what's being developed and what is being passed into the master branch. And also we think that software development often lacks a monetary incentivization.
Software projects stop, or some critical bugs get overseen because the open source developers are not incentivized enough to do their proper work, and we are really putting another layer of incentivization on top of this development.
We use those DAO principles in the earliest stage of developing software. Namely, whenever there is a push to a repository, we will ask the community to first of all approve it. And this approach is totally new and different to all existing projects in the space.
You don't need to relearn anything, you don't need to adapt, because the dit client is essentially wrapping the Git client. So you can use every command that you would use when you're using the Git client itself, but on top you get this layer that enables you to vote, to stake, and to participate in our DAO-based software development process. And so you don't need to learn anything new, with the upside of having all these new possibilities.